So welcome back to the channel. And so we got new content which is gonna release in this video right here. It's about it for days and days. And for now I have my car coming back after, and yeah, come with a surprise right here. It's every time, bro. But I'm doing it for the boys, Car is coming actually from Lexington. I think it's North Carolina. It's coming somewhere from up there. And so we're just waiting on Wednesday to get here to the car actually to show up in person, to show you guys clips of how the car looks like. So I'm just waiting for the car to get to cool down a bit and go to the gas station that's around like 10 minutes from here and probably check the temperatures and fill up with gas, and hopefully it's just missing a little bit of water and just buy like gallons of water to fill it up, you know, little stuff. But yeah, see you guys there. So we made it to the gas station and I found a coolant. I found some coolant called Peak. And it's a green one, so it should work for my car. So right now I'm just waiting for it to cool down a bit. Get a bit of coolant inside. Downside of having a low car and cambered out. So this video actually had to be more of me picking up Edwin at his job and taking him home, but now it's gonna be the opposite. He's actually gonna come pick me up and yeah, help me fix this thing. I'm actually pretty close to the airport, which is down that way over there. So it's like should be like 10 minutes away. Tough, man. So we got the car here. Got it parked next to mine. It just looks so beautiful. This is actually gonna be the second black car I actually own. The first one was one of my older boys that we bought his car, but it had no title, so it was impossible to keep it. So that car ended up being ported out. So I wasn't able to do that much work to it. But this time with this one, it's gonna be pretty nice. Got it parked next to the Katie right here. And we got to the paint shop. We went to go buy the paint already. And we got everything we're needing. So this is gonna be like part 2 to another restoration series. Yeah, look. A few things, like you see the hood right here. It's gonna need like almost like the red one. Straight it out. The doors are kind of that bad, but not too much. So it just needs like a couple of sanding. The rooftop as well is not that bad. You can see the interior. The interior, this thing's coming off. We got the seats. Need to be stitched up. That. But everything else looks pretty fine. The dash is fine as well. For all 3, it doesn't look that bad. It's automatic as well too, so. The rear just needs like a little bit of cleanup. I gotta remove the tints. And yeah, the back is pretty good. And it's leather, but it looks like the previous owner may have probably just switched it out. Yeah, the bumpers, I have it sitting somewhere over there because it was falling off. So I just took it off. But until I got tinted, but I'm gonna remove that too because I don't really like the tinted look on it. And this side is kind of the worst side. You can see the little paint stuff on here. Yeah, so that's basically it. And mechanical wise, the car runs pretty fine. This is cool. It's not like how the other cars I've bought and they got mysterious problems. This one is pretty fire. Brand new headlights and everything too.